because every foreigner knows English. That's why they have to have the knowledge of English.
Fluency in the English, Bihari people can move.
More coordination in our Bihar, as we know that our Bihar is the best. Government also let emphasis on the upliftment of English in our peoples. They know that our development is totally dependent on Bihar, and it is when we know the English. So Bihar government also opened their school in English mediums. So lastly, I would like to tell that today, without English, we are just like a feather of that bird who have no feather. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Okay, just as Sir has told that all the modern students join their green groups and have their dress-ups. Now moving to our next student who is very good speaker as well as very good orator. So I'd like to call a very beautiful girl and a very talented girl. So please put your hands together for Amrita Kumari from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Please welcome Amrita.
And warm welcome to all of you. I'm Kriti and my batch is 4 to 5 p.m. And first of all, I would like to pay lots of thanks for my husband because he gives me opportunity that I say something on this occasion. And without your support, I can't do anything. Thank you. And so at first, I would like to tell a heartiest thanks to he is no other call, he is Mr. K. George. And today he is given a very appalling topic, the role of English language in development of Bihar. So first of all, I would like to tell something about Bihar. Bihar is a very great state of India. Great development and any success. So friends, as you all know that, that Bihar is a very great state. And as you also know that about Ashoka, Bhimsar and Dr. Rajendra Prasad. These all go talented. But before some years, Biharis don't know what is the importance of English. And that's why he passed many exams. But he can't get job.
English language is very important for us. Without English language, we can't success in anything. We can take knowledge from English in all the things. That's all. Thanks.
I am coming to a topic which is the role of English in the development of Bihar. Dear friend, we must have to think on this topic that if we are not know English, what will be condition of our society? According to me, without English, we can't progress because today is global earth and we will have to play a role according to time. If you think I go to any South Indian city,
Nitish Kumar and many more leaders are very highly educated men. That's why many multinational companies come in Patna, Bihar, and also do this work. And also Bihar is developing education sector and also in business sector because due to support of Mr. Nitish Kumar and due to support of Mr. Manmohan Singh. And as we know that our Bihar is very poor in English because our former CM Mrs. Rami Devi, she can't speak Hindi fluently, then how she can speak English fluently. That's what
Everyone, and I think so the famous and the fabulous singer of the Bihar, I think so the Bollywood, Ajit Kumar Akela ji has come now. And he's our guest today. And our honorable guest, Mr. Sanjay Pushpan, the former Central Minister of India, is to come for a while.
And I think so, I'm very thankful that Ajit Kumar Akela has come and given a nice conversations place to sit over there now. Within a week, we are going to start our welcome dance. Before starting to welcome our welcome dance now, one speaker is left to come over here. After this speech, a very fabulous, tremendous, and devastating for the earthquake events and the famines now that should be over here. If that fabulous dance has become on the dice now. It's I put on jeans and shirts, just tell myself now. I put on shirts, I just dress like that. But I think so, my student doesn't compare myself that Mr. George is not able to teach. I know myself that how can I teach my students well. So gentlemen, there's a one request to all my colleagues, there's a one request to all my guardians, please fight on the Bihars. If you fight on the Bihars, certainly Bihar will be developed till 2010, if you want. If you want, there will be a great development of the Bihar. It's quite easy to say development, but it is quite tough to go. It is very, very tough to go. I don't take the gentleman more tax now because all the colleagues for the dancers now there.
Here's the budding flower. ये खिलता हुआ गुलाब है. इस ग्रुप के इस song में please welcome to this show and dear partners. Okay.
मानवाधिकार नेता आनंद मोहन जी यहाँ उपस्थित हैं। मैं उनसे निवेदन करूंगा कि वो आए और आस्थान कई वर्षों से अपना कार्यक्रम दिखाते हुए स्पीच देने वाले छात्र और छात्राओं ने कहा कि हम बिहार के विकास में अंग्रेजी को कभी भी कम नहीं होने देंगे। इसके लिए आपके एसोसिएशन काम कर रहा है और भी कई संस्थान अपने स्पीच के पावर से और राइटिंग के पावर से अपना जो स्थान रख रहा है। अंग्रेजी के विकास के साथ साथ हमारे बिहार का भी विकास संभव है, ऐसा उन लोगों ने बताया। हमारे अतिथि, विशिष्ट अतिथि और हमारे उद्घाटनकर्ता भी इस बारे में बताएं। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हमारे बीच आज के विशिष्ट अतिथि के रूप में हमारे आए हुए हैं आनंद मोहन झा, जिन्होंने
मैं तो बैठे अकेला थी। हमारे समक्ष पत्रकार बंधु, प्रिंट मीडिया के लोग, छात्र छात्राओं, किसी गांव में जन्म लिया है तो आपका धर्म एवं कर्तव्य बनता है कि उस वतन की रक्षा करें, क्योंकि कोई भी इंसान अपने मां के दूध का कर्ज और वतन के दूध का कर्ज नहीं उतार सकता। एक शायर ने कहा है, यारो वतन का जिस दिन तुम्हें ख्याल होगा, यारो वतन का जिस दिन तुम्हें ख्याल होगा, फिर देखना वतन तुम्हारा माल माल होगा। कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे फिर नई कहानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। Thank you very much. Famous for the Bihar. So I want that every student should be known as Bihar. So the captions which is provided by Mr. John to all my colleagues, along my guests who have assembled over here. Before going to speak some few words, I would like to thank Sanjay sponsors and Ajita Dela sir and also Anand Mohan Jha sir. And my heartiest thanks to Mr. Mohan Chaudhary Shamji, who have given a nice place to me to speak some few words on the role of English language in the development of Bihar. Already I have chatted you a lot to you. I have spoken a lot of you, but there is one sentence which I want to tell you, because Indian students, those who belong to the poverty lands, on the honor of honoring Dr. Sanjay for sponsors, because he has come and he has given a precious time to me. I want that 50 students I will teach free of cost, spoken English, and I will give him the nice fluency. But there's a one thing which you have to maintain. Not condition is applied, nothing is applied. He has to be diagnosed and nothing else. Gentlemen, what could I say regarding the development of Bihar? Because I know myself that I am developed. That's why Bihar is developed. If you will be developed, Bihar will be developed. If you won't be developed, Bihar won't be developed.
स्वागत करें अतिथियों का। मिस्टर बिहार के शेक्सपियर का स्वागत करें, मिस्टर के जॉन पर माल्यार्पण इधर आदि। तो लीजिए, मैं ऐसे कलाकार को
डॉक्टर संजय पासवान जी, आनंद मोहन जी, संत जी और जॉन साहब। सबसे पहले मैं संत जी के बारे में बता दूं कि जब इनकी तबीयत खराब है और इतना अच्छा बोल ले रहे हैं जोरदार, तो न जाने तबीयत ठीक होने पर क्या करते हैं। इंग्लिश विश्व की कम्युनिकेशन लैंग्वेज है। ये जरूरी है कि हम बिहार के लोग इसमें आगे बढ़ें। लेकिन मेरा अनुरोध एक होगा कि इंग्लिश सीखें जरूर, इंग्लिशस्तानी नहीं बने। अपने सभ्यता और संस्कृति कला को बचाए रखें। इंग्लिश की आवश्यकता जब बिहार से बाहर या भारत से बाहर निकलेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा है। क्योंकि मैंने देखा है, एक बार की घटना में छोटी सी बता दूं, 1997 में मुझे क्यूबा, पेरिस, स्पेन 3 कंट्री जाने का मौका मिला, जहां के लोग स्पेनिश या उधर का लैंग्वेज बोलते थे। इंग्लिश जैसे लैंग्वेज को भी कम लोग बोलते थे और कम समझते थे। अब सोचिए कि उन लोगों को कितनी परेशानी हुई होगी जो न इंग्लिश बोल सकते थे और न इंग्लिश समझ सकते थे। तो दुश्मन जो हमारे बीच बैठा है, हर शक्ति हिमालय बन जाए, हर व्यक्ति हिमालय बन जाए, किस किस को लांघेगा दुश्मन, हर व्यक्ति हिमालय बन जाए। चले मोटर गरिया की पनिया में चलला जहाज, दुई गो पटरिया पर चलला रेलगाड़िया की, कच्ची पादरिया
अब मैं आमंत्रित कर रहा हूं बिहार के एक ऐसे कलाकार को जो युवा तो हैं, अजीत कुमार अकेला जी के हाथ में। अब मैं आमंत्रित कर रहा हूं एक ऐसे कलाकार को क्योंकि अब मैं आमंत्रित कर रहा हूं आरके।
And I'm very happy to see the face of my daughter because she has come already, but she didn't do like that. Once again, good morning everyone now. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everything else. Gentlemen, we have got a lot of students in my institutions. Don't bother, nothing else. Nothing else, that's their dancing there. Sit down. Gentlemen, we have got a lot of students. Last 2001. Class 2001, have been teaching in our institutions in Calcutta. And as you can see, my name